নমস্কাৰ মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেলটোলৈ আপোনালোকৰ সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো আজি মই এপিএসসি জুনিয়ৰ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেটিভ এসিস্টেন্ট 2018 ৰ যোনটো জেনাৰেল ষ্টাডিজ পেপাৰ হৈ গৈছিল তাৰ ওপৰত কেইটামান কোৱেশ্চনছ আনিছো এইটো প্ৰিভিয়াস ইয়াৰ কোৱেশ্চন হয় টোটাল 75 টা কোৱেশ্চনছ আছে ইয়াতে জিকে ৰ ওপৰত সো বলক আজি স্টাৰ্ট কৰো এই সেশনটো সো কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 1 আছিল আৰু এটা কথা কৈ দিও যে আগত এনেকে আমি ওয়ান লাইনাৰ আনসাৰস দেখা পাইছিলো এপিএসসি ফালৰ পৰা কিন্তু আজিকালি কি হৈছে এপিএসসিও যিমানে এক্সাম পাতি আছে স্টেটমেন্ট বেসড কোৱেশ্চনছ দি আছে তাৰে মাজত 3-4টা মান এনে ওয়ান লাইনাৰ থাকে সো আপোনালোকে যেতিয়া পঢ়িব কাইন্ডলি অকমান ডিটেইলছত পঢ়িব সো কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 1 where is the oldest refinery of India located এটো হ'ব আপোনাৰ দিগবৈ আনসাৰ ঠিক আছে Question number 2 The national highway connecting Golpara and Guwahati is kuntu NH37 In which district of Assam Numaligarh refinery is situated Eto Golaghatot ase Tolot explanation opor likhi dia ase apnaloke sai lobo pare Question number 4 In which place of Assam there is confluence of three highly revered pilgrimages of Hindu, Muslim and Buddhist or hetu hol Hajo Pua Mokka ase Mondir ase Hayagriva Madhav Mondir thik ase ate explanation to di ase Question number 5 Chapchar Kur festival to kuntu state ot belong kore hetu hol Mizoram Question number 6 Who was the first Assamese to join the Indian National Congress during the second session held in 1886? Etu hol apunar Devi Charan Borua. Etu Devi Charan Borua nohobo niki etu Gopinath Bordole hobo lage. Question number 6 to all of sai lobosun apnalok. Number 7 The Kamakhya temple was rebuilt during the reign of Koch King. Kunjon Koch King asile ejon asile Naranarayan. Dimapur, the capital of the Kachari kingdom, was occupied by Ahom king, Kunjon, Suhungmung. Question number 9. The post of Borborua and Borfukon was created by Pratap Singha. Number 10. The author of the book Cha Garam, the tea story is Kune likhisile? Anup Kumar Datta. Which tribe of the Northeast celebrates Agal Maka festival to kuntu kune celebrate kore Garohot celebrate kore ঠিক আছে Dhola Sadia bridge or total length kiman Question number 12 9.15 ঠিক আছে আৰু আমাৰ নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদীয়ে 2026 মেত এটো ইনোগ্ৰেট কৰিছিল 2017 ত Number 13 Sonai Rupai Sanctuary is situated in the district of Sonitpur Sonai আছে Sonitpur তেনেকে মনত ৰাখিব The rainforest research code ase Jorhatot ase Number 15 The Treaty of Yandabo ketia hoisile 1826 ot Question number 16 The first Assamese woman to undergo imprisonment due to participation in the freedom struggle কোন asile Pushpalata ঠিক আছে আৰু এজন asile Konoklata এটো হল first woman হল Pushpalata Das Which work of Srimanto Shankardev is considered at the epitome of Bhagavad? Kirtan Ghosa. ঠিক আছে Kirtan Ghosa. The chemical name of vinegar ki hoy ki vinegar or chemical name hol acetic acid. The period of revolution of a geostationary satellite is kiman hoy 24 hours. 20 question number optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection at কাম কৰে ঠিক আছে 21 India hosted FIFA Women's Asian Basketball Tournament FIBA টো basketball tournament in 2017 কোত কৰিছিলে বেঙ্গালুৰু ঠিক আছে Question number 22 Joy Hind The famous greeting was started by কোন Subhash Chandra Bose 23 number question The first technology and innovation support center junto short form TISC polio koa hoy established in the state kuntu state ot Punjab ঠিক আছে Number 4 Who won the women's single title of the Wimbledon tennis champions হেতু টাইমত কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স আছিলে সো তেনেকৈ কোশ্চেনস সুধিছে সো আপোনালোকে এইবাৰ যোনটো আমাৰ অলিম্পিক হৈছিলে তাৰ ওপৰত কোশ্চেনস কেইটামান চাই যাব Which of the following states has introduced mobile therapy van for senior citizens? Etu hol Bihar. Question number 26. In hockey, which country won the Women's Asian Champion Trophy of 2026? Etu hol India. BRICS Games for the year 2017. Kot host hoisile? China host hoisile. ঠিক আছে আগতে পাঁচটা আছিল বাৰু এতিয়া কিমানজন হৈছে 11টা সো আপোনালোকে নাম কেইটা চাই লব The working principle of a washing machine is centrifugation The International Youth Day 12 August ঠিক আছে 30 number question in which year the telegraph service was discontinued in India 2013 অপৰা এটো ডিসকন্টিনিউ কৰি দিয়া হৈছে 31 Kanaklata Borua a matri of which one of the following national movement কোনটো national movements ত তেওঁৰ মৃত্যু হৈছিলে It will Quit India movement. 32. The newly found Sanskrit University in Assam is situated in Nalbari. Kumar Bhaskar Burma tolot dia ase ha explanation to apanloke sai lobo ha okay. 33. The pollutant responsible for ozone is ozone je layer ase tak pollutant kone kore chlorofluorocarbon jaga ami short form aro janu CFC amar freezer thake ঠিক আছে The first Assamese newspaper Arunodoi was published in the year 1846 ঠিক আছে 35 longest national highway in India NH7 The judge of Supreme Court of India retires at age of 65 years old retire hoy ঠিক আছে Cricket World Cup will be held in 2019 or Cricket World Cup to কোট হৈছিলে হেতু টাইমত যেহেতু 2018 or question no So, etenika 2019 to hudisile England. The members of the excuse me. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a period of kiman bosor babe hoy 6 years or babe ঠিক আছে elect kora hoy When was the Assam Rifles established 1835 ot hoisile Who is the chairman of the Niti Aayog? Niti Aayogor chairman hol amar Narendra Modi, amar Prime Minister of India. ঠিক আছে 41 number question 23rd GST Council meeting কোত হৈছিলে গুৱাহাটীত হৈছিলে 42 number question audible sound waves lie in the frequency of কিমান 20 hertz পৰা 20000 hertz ole ঠিক আছে The Right to Information Act came into force in the year 2005 ot ahisile The headquarters of Assam Sahitya Sabha is situated at Jorhat ঠিক আছে Number 45 কোনটো vitamin water soluble vitamin বুলি জানো আমি vitamin B The total number of districts in Assam 2017 ole December লগে কিমানটা আছিল 33 টা আছিল ঠিক আছে এতিয়া আমাৰ কিমানটা 35 টা Grammy Awards question 47 Grammy Awards are awarded for outstanding achievements in kuntut music or dia hoy Gas electric project of Assam is situated at Kathalguri ঠিক আছে The total number of parliament constituency in Assam kiman 14 ta aru Assam legislative to 126 50 number question The headquarters of World Trade Organization kot ase Geneva SI unit of energy kiman hoy 51 number question C joule hoy ঠিক আছে Question 52 The name of India's banking robot launched by the HDFC Bank is Lakshmi In the World Happiness Report as per 2017 the rank of India is 122 The first capital of Ahom Kingdom was kuntu ase Saraidew Guwahati Tea Auction to 1970 The motto of Indian Army to ki Self before service ঠিক আছে Arthashastra is a great treatise on economic policy o hoy ঠিক আছে statecraft to hoy military strategy o hoy etu karone all of the above dia hoise 58 kuntu vitamin blood clotting ot help kore clotting of blood vitamin B vitamin K ঠিক আছে ভিটামিন কে Which of the following organization in the regulation of the stock exchange in India? It হল SEBI. SEBI stock exchange কামটো কৰে ঠিক আছে রেগুলেট করে The Assam Public Service Commission কেতিয়া আহিছিলে এটো আহিছিলে 1st April 1937 Who was the first India to win the Nobel Prize Amar Rabindranath Tagore ঠিক আছে Guwahati University was established in the year 1948 The intensity of earthquake to bhumikompo to ami kihere mapibo paro seismograph The intensity of earthquake is measured by seismograph The capital of Assam was shifted from Shillong to Dispur Shillong par Dispur shift kuntu yearat hoise 1973 Last Ahom king kun Purandor Singha The World War II was commenced in ketia 1939 1939 পৰা 1945 লৈকে চলিছিলে ঠিক আছে The first Assamese dictionary was compiled by কোন Miles Bronson okay 68 number question In the third battle of Panipat the Marathas were defeated by Afghans Afghanতে defeat কৰিছিলে ঠিক আছে 69 number question saffron junto color আছে আমাৰ national flagত কি signify কৰে courage aru sacrifice signify kore thik ase World AIDS Day is celebrated on 1st December Which was the first metal used by humans e kuntu metal use korise first ot copper keneke mon rakhibo janege CBI thik ase CBI C for copper B for bronze tar bisot tati iron use korisile thik ase copper bronze iron eneke mon rakhibo The new industrial policy was introduced in the year 1991 The classical dance Andhra Pradesh's classical dance ki Kuchipudi Amar brand ambassador of Assam kun hoy Priyanka Chopra First Assamese film was kun asle first Assamese film eto ma talkie film asile eto hol Joymoti film so eto amar last question asile eto session GK jiman ahisile 2018 ot gute keta moi aji discuss korilu moi next loi ahi asu 2022 juntu APSC follow para junior administrative assistant hoisile heitu session আশা কৰিছো session to ভাল লাগিছে পুনৰ লগ পাম ধন্যবাদ